Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to buy Toncoin on Telegram wallet. For that, you need to go on your Telegram application. Make sure you are logged into it. And there you can search wallet, or if it is already in your chats, then you can simply tap on it. And there at the bottom left, you can see wallet option. You can tap on it. Now you will be led to this kind of page. Now all you need to do is tap on more assets. And there you need to simply tap on Toncoin. Now at the top you can see various options. You need to tap on receive. Now here you can see your address at the downside. You need to simply copy it. After you are done copying it, you need to go to your Tonkeeper wallet. And there simply tap on send. Now here you need to simply paste the address that you copied earlier from your Telegram wallet. After that you need to tap on continue. Now here you need to enter the amount that you want to purchase, and if you have sufficient balance you will be able to tap on continue and you can buy Toncoin on Telegram wallet. But currently I have insufficient balance, so I am not able to buy Toncoin. But this is how you can buy Toncoin on Telegram wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.